Most two-stroke petrol engines use a set petrol oil mixture for lubrication. There are different kinds of oils and petrol oil mixtures. They must be used according to the manufacturer's specifications. For small two-stroke engines, the oil and fuel are pre-mixed. A mixture of air, oil and fuel passes through a sealed crankcase on its way to the combustion chamber. That makes the crankcase part of the fuel intake system, so it can't be used as a sump. As the air, fuel and oil enter the crankcase, the fuel evaporates, leaving behind enough oil to keep parts coated and lubricated. The crankshaft and connecting rod bearings in two-stroke engines are ball and roller types. Because the parts of this kind of bearing only roll over each other, they only need a minimum of lubrication.